Getting a new Chase debit card custom design is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will be telling you how you guys can do it. So all you have to do is to visit the Chase website. So the Chase website is pretty simple. You can simply visit chase.com and you will be redirected to this page. So once you are in it, all you have to do is to make sure that you are logged in with your official account. So once you have typed in your username and password, just simply click on the sign in button and then you will be logged into your account. After that, all you have to do is to navigate to the credit card option and go to your credit card option. After that, all you have to do is to select the card design. So look for an option to customize your design card. The feature is often available for the specific cards like Disney, Visa debit cards. Choose your specific design that you want to upgrade to, or simply after that, all you have to do is to confirm and submit. So review your selection and submit your request. Your card should arrive within 5 to 7 days. So it is that simple. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.